Please consider subscribing by clicking on the link in the description. We would hate for you to miss one of our next videos. This is Chris Holdread, and I'm going to show you how to remove a label with minimal residue. Alrighty, so we start out by reaching up there and peeling just that little bit of a corner up. And I know it seems like this is pretty straightforward and what everybody would do, but here's where we start to get a little tricky. You pull that corner up, and as you get that up, you start pulling perpendicular, at about, about 110, 180 degrees, basically as close as you can maintain it to the board. And what you're doing is pulling away from the part that's still stuck. And as you do that, that helps pull everything up. It's a super simple trick, and it works really well, and it works on plastic, wood, metals, you name it. Most labels you can get peel up with very little residue that way. Again, guys, we thank you. We hope that you will consider subscribing. The link is down there in the description because we want you to get a chance to see all of our helpful videos and others just like this. Thank you very much.